Pwede makita. So ayun, question for the whole gang, ano po, what should the audience expect from the adaptation? Mas magiging intense ba siya compared sa original?
Would it be more intense than the original? I would say the original was intense. We definitely, I don't want to compare, it's more of just like, we tackle the intensity in a different way. That's all I can say.
Siguro in terms of intensity, hindi lang siya maglalaro dun sa adaptation itself na yung cheating, lahat ng schemes. Yung magdadagdag dun sa intensity is yung kanya-kanyang family stories ng bawat isa. Drama ni Pat with his father, with Haya sa father niya, also with Tash sa family niya, and sa akin din, sa amin ni Miss Irma. Dun din yung intensity manggagaling eh. Kasi we added a touch of family, which is, I think, hindi din masyadong na-tackle dun sa Thai series eh. So, yung intensity hindi lang siya manggagaling dun sa buong cheating itself. The intensity will also come from the family drama, the family problems na mapapanood din nyo. Sobrang mabibigat din talaga yung eksena na nangyari, na ginawa namin for that. So yun. So mahalo-halo. May intensity tayo sa cheating scheme, but also at the same time, yung intensity in terms of the family drama. Nandun din yun. Yun yung maganda rin din.
And to add on that, syempre meron a touch of Derek and Derek Migos shot. Syempre yung mga shots nila kakaiba, coming from Malyari, di ba? One of my favorites, Clarita. So may pagka dark side rin yung Bad Genius.
Yes, I think that this project has its own kind of intensity, just like the other adaptations.
Ako, yes, iba yung intensity nito. I mean, I'm so proud for this material kasi we were able to add things na alam ko na wala dun sa original. Kumbaga, from creative pa lang, from the development of the material, yung sinusulat pa lang yung script, we make sure na kapag pinanood na ng audience, ng viewers, is that masasabi nilang at maganda siya. And it's a different flavor from the original series. I mean, maraming eksena na abangan na alam mo lang, eksena to ni Pat, eksena to ni Bang, eto eksena to ni Grace, eto kay Lynn. I mean, makikita mo na nag-i-stand out yun, lalo na kapag pinag-uusapan niya yung backstory ng bawat character.
Si Ted Madala, muli congratulations sa inyong series and looking forward to watch.
Thank you so much. All right, let's proceed with Stars Photog, Alan Sancon.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Congratulations. I'm a big fan ng movies. Yeah, kaya excited na ako mapanood itong series ng Viva One. My question is a hypothetical question to all. Kasi lahat naman tayo naging estudyante, di ba, naging bata. Is there any chance na nag-cheat din kayo? And then how you overcome it? If I don't know if you wanna answer it or not, or be honest, di ba? Parang ganun. Or kung meron man, na-overcome mo ba yung cheating na yun? Sama si Derek.
Si Derek muna.
Ako, elementary kay high school, yes. Naalala ko nung may time pa ng high school na parang lumabas yung teacher namin. It's a periodical exam. Tapos parang buong class yata yung nag-cheat na. Oo. Kasi pasahan ng answer sheet. Hindi pong, pasang mo to, gano'n. Kasi kaya natuto kami magkabisado ng ABCCD, back, D, gano'n. Kung paano pwedeng abbreviate yung answer. Kasi you have to memorize 10 letters, 10 answers kagad. So, yes, naranasan ko naman din mag-cheat. Hindi ako proud doon. Of course, hindi naman siya. Pero, I've learned my lesson kung bakit siya, dapat hindi siya ginagawa. Oo. Yun yung bagay na maganda doon. Pero, I think parang, it's part of a student life na nag-cheat. Parang nag-cheat ba kayo? Yun, di ba?
Ako naman po, looking back, parang wala. Kasi growing up, I was a very nerdy kid, was very strict sa school ko, very tedious sa studies at sa after-school activities. So, wala naman.
ito yung question na hindi lang sa school even dun sa luwa, little things na kumupit, parang ganun, or may mga bagay na sukle, parang ganun. Not just on the school, parang ganun. Para may idea rin kayo.
Kung hindi naman sa school, siguro po sa games, mahilig din ako mag-video games. So, noon I would Google the cheat codes kung paano. Pero hanggang doon lang.
Ako same. Dati sa PSP, nung bata pa ako, uso dati yung GTA sa PSP, di ba? So may mga cheat codes yan. Yun lang naman. Kasi if sa school naman, parang you try na find shortcut ways. Pero not to the point na you do cheating from it. Parang minsan hindi mo nababasahin yung buong lesson. Hanapin mo na yung mismong sagot di ba? Pero hindi mo siya syempre gagamitin sa actual exam. Pero you find shortcut ways lang para mapabilis lang yung pag-aaral mo. Pero yun, in other ways siguro yung sa PSP nga, tama, sa games.
I think we already answered this last story ko. Pero looking back, I think I did when I was in elementary. Pero when I moved to the US, in middle school and high school, ako na yung nagpapakopya. Kasi that's how I made friends nung una. Because I was like in the parang nerdy group. I really like math. And then, yeah. I think, normal naman for being a student. Like, if you wanted to make friends back then, and then, pakopya. Kahit yung mga homework lang. Pero sa test, no.
No. Yeah, I guess sometimes, peer pressure. Yeah, like same with video games. Sometimes, okay, look. I make effort, okay? I will make an effort, I will try as much as I can. When it comes to like an hour or hours later and I just cannot figure it out, sometimes I'll look it up online. I give a walkthrough, I play the walkthrough sa YouTube.
Thank you. Lasa na kay Derek, follow up ko lang po. Derek, kasi yung movie is parang it's just 1 hour and less than 2 hours, di ba? And this is series. Kumbaga, paano nyo po pinahaba yung story, di ba? At paano nyo na ipasok yung mga Filipino tradition dito para mas maging interesting sa mga Filipino viewers?
Malaking factor kasi di ba sa atin as a viewers is that tayo pag nanood is that mas gusto natin makilala yung character, yung backstory niya, the family, the people behind the character, di ba? Kumbaga, mga tao nakapaligid kay Lynn, kay Bang, kay Pat. So, we make sure nung ginawa namin itong series, nung inumpisahan pa lang na talagang inaral namin na dito na mapakita lahat ng side nila na parang, kaya pala ganun yung character ni Lynn kasi may ganitong aspect or yung character ni Bang, bakit siya ganito kapursige. Of course, we know dun sa movie na it's because na para matulungan yung parents. Pero what's the story behind that? Bakit niya pinupush yung sarili niya? Ano bang issue yung meron or pinagdadaanan ng problema ng tao doon sa pamilya? And yun yung maganda doon na parang mas na-explore namin na kumpara kasi syempre kapag pelikula we only have 2 hours or more than an hour para ipakita yung lahat. Ito, we were given na time na parang ma-explore lahat ng kumbaga lahat ng aspeto ng buhay ng bawat characters. And doon namin na-inject yung mga Filipino cultures and traditions and at the same time na yung personality nila makita. Kaya for me, buong uwi yung series maganda siya in a way kasi nakilala namin ng staff, kumbaga ng artista ng buong makikilala ninyo as a viewers yung bawat character and what makes bad genius, what makes good decisions or good moves nila na naging ganito yung epekto.
Thank you, Derek. Congratulations. Looking forward to that series.
Thank you so much. All right, next we have Sir Erwin Agawa. Anong ganap?
Hello! Congrats! Nice trailer and ang ganda ng music, OST. Yun na ba yung OST direct? Yun na ba?
Yes po.
Ang ganda po. Okay. So, to Tash, of course, we all know that your dad is one of the best actors in the industry. So, any acting tips from him? And na-mention earlier ni Direk na wino-workshop ka, di ba? So, paano yun? How was it?
Usually what I would do is when I'm confused with the scene or mostly, especially sa Tagalog ko, I would ask him how he would attack it or how he would envision this scene and we would collab together where he made sure that I was still able to experience it myself. So he wasn't trying to control me in terms of ganito, dapat ganito. It was more of guidance just to make sure na dapat you have fun and you learn along the way. That was always a goal.
Thank you. And to the other cast, kay Gab, kay Haya, and kay Jai, you're doing 2 shows sa Viva One. So any adjustments? Halos sabay, di ba? Or nag-overlap ba?
Nag-overlap.
Hindi naman.
Nag-overlap from, may mga times kasi hindi rin masyado marami yung tapings namin sa AOTD. Pero, I mean, medyo mahirap yung adjust. Hindi man sobrang hirap, pero nandun talaga yung parang pagpunta mo sa set sa kabila, parang, ay, teka, hindi pala seryoso, hindi pala sobrang ganito ka-intense si Sean. So, may konting little bit of adjustment, pero, you know, it's the challenge eh. Yun yung challenge, yun yung masaya dun eh. Na pupunta ka sa isang trabaho mo, ito yung ginagawa mo, tapos sa kabila isa. So, yun yung challenge, but you just have to handle it really well kasi baka malito ka na, maguluhan ka na sa end of the day. Pero ako, yun yung gustong-gusto ko talaga na pupunta ka sa isang trabaho mo, ito yung ginagawa mo, tapos ito. Kasi na-challenge ka lalo mentally.
Okay, Gab and Haya.
Yeah, like what Jai said, it was being Pat really made me go out of my comfort zone. Kasi ibang-iba siya kay Sevi, is like really 180 degree. Sevi, syempre, hindi yun Englishero, Tagalog lang. Ito si Pat came from a mayaman na family. But yeah, I really enjoyed it. That's part of being an actor. I always wanted to learn more about being an actor, and thankfully na nag-guide kami nila Direk and yung mga prod.
Thank you. And Haya? Any adjustments, if any?
For me, I've been able to just fully focus on my character in this show because so far I haven't had any taping days sa YouTube. So.
Thank you guys. Best of luck sa series.
Thank you so much, Sir Erwin. All right, last but not the least, we have from Abante Tonight and Marites University, Rose Garcia.
Good afternoon. Question ko sa cast, doon sa role ninyo, sa character niyo sa Bad Genius, somehow ba may nakikita kayo sa totoong buhay niyo na in a way relatable, or you see yourself na ay ganito din? And what's that?
Feeling ko po na-relate ko sa character ko dahil sa observation skills niya, and she's always thinking every single time of the day, throughout the day, tapos strategic planner siya din po. So, guys, my high school experiences, I was very observant, very strategical thinking in terms of working smart and still working hard.
In my own way, I feel like the way that I can relate to my character is how much she cares about her loved ones and her friends, and how much she cares about making them comfortable and happy.
Siguro si Bang kasi may paninindigan talaga siya eh. And kapag nandun na siya sa part na pinag-uusapan is yung pag-aaral, sobrang seryoso na siya. Ginagawa niya talaga yung best niya. And sobrang parang family-oriented, sobrang family person si Bang. So siguro doon ako nakaka-relate kasi kapag nasa trabaho na kami, seryoso na rin, nandun na rin kami sa punto na parang okay, focus muna tayo sa trabaho. And also sa family, syempre, I always see to it na meron akong oras sa family ko, and I always put my family as a priority first. Same as Bang. So, yeah.
Okay. Ikaw.
For me, siguro yung his Pat always wanted what he really wants. So hindi siya mapakali kung hindi niya makuha. So he has this eager na he always want to try everything para makuha yung gusto niya. So yeah, I think kind of relate to that.
Okay. Okay, another question na. For Atasha kasi like side Bulaga, parang ang pinapakita mo doon yung jolly side mo, somehow parang pwedeng maging komedyante tong si Atasha. Pero dito naman sa Bad Genius, I think it's, although it's still a youth-oriented, pero more serious yung atake. So, would you say na eventually, mas gusto mong makilala bilang seryosong actress or paano?
Para sa akin po, I think I want to try all types of acting. I want to continue to develop my craft And I'm enjoying the process of being an actor, and I'm having so much fun throughout this whole experience. Learning so much. So, in terms of roles na masyadong serious or light, of course, I'm super game to do it. Basta I give my 100%. Yan po ang rule ko. Sinabi ko yan dati. Hanggang ngayon, I will always give my 100% best.
Okay, thank you. Last question naman na, so pahirit na lang lang. Siyempre, we all know na, sa inyo lahat po ito, siyempre, we all know na yung Mutya ng Section A ay talaga namang naging phenomenal, di ba? May pressure ba sa inyong lahat to top it or mapantayan man lang?
Wala naman pong pressure kasi this show is also different from Mutya and vice versa. But the thing is, both shows are both from Viva, pero all of the actors, even sa Mutya, even dito po sa Bad Genius, even sa Uni series, we always give our best. And we have no comparison or no expectation of what the result would be. Basta yung expectation is that we always bring our best the day of work, day of taping, and whatever it may be.
Yeah, siguro same with Dash, no? Parang we're working under one roof. At the end of the day, we all work as a team. Parang may AMSE, may Univercada, may Bad Genius. At the end of the day, ang goal lang naman namin ay mapasaya yung mga viewers natin eh. Ang goal natin, mapalakas ang Viva One para sa lahat din. Sa mga tao sa likod ng camera, sa ad-prom people natin. And syempre sa amin, para hindi rin kami tuloy-tuloy lang yung mga series na ginagawa namin, diba? So at the end of the day, magkakakampi kami dito. And it's really hard to compare each other kasi magkakaiba talaga yung atake ng bawat isa eh. We're on the mature edgy side. Univercada is mature but yet bubbly, alam niyo, I mean not bubbly pero mas magaan kaysa sa amin. And yung AMSE is more on the lighter side naman of university series. So everything is different. Everything has their own genre and own tatak, diba? Pero at the end of the day, we're all working as a team. Basta masaya kami na malakas yung Viva One, masaya kaming lahat. Masaya lahat ng tao, diba?
Thank you, Jairus. Gab and Hyacinth. Ang last na si Direk.
Actually, same with Jai. Like what he said, same thing lang po kami sa Viva One. And of course, pressure is always gonna be there. It's a big show, and Viva trusted us with this show, so it's all about like overcoming the pressure, be comfortable with each other, and sana po at mabigay namin yung mapasaya po namin kayo. Pero at the end of the day, we're happy because we gave her 100% best sa show na to. And actually, we're really happy na successful po yung mga ginagawa ng Viva One kasi that means more project po yun.
Yes, the beautiful thing is that every show is about something, it has something different. It offers something new, something different, something unique. And it's fun because, you know, it makes everyone happy, and if someone's feeling thriller, they'll watch thriller. If they want to feel like happy, sad, they can, you know, go into other shows. Every show has a different story and has a different message.
Thank you. Direct.
Parang baliktad yata pa yung sa akin. Para, yes, of course, for me, that may pressure din. I mean, may pressure in a way that, because this is an adaptation eh. I mean, ilang beses na nilabas, marami ng variations yung buong material. So parang, how can we make it something new and then something na panonoorin? Kasi alam na naman ng tao what's the story of Bad Genius. From the movie to the series, everybody knows what will happen, di ba? So ano yung, paano natin ito babaguhin? I mean, I'm pretty sure yung pressure hindi lang sa akin. I mean, the whole staff, the whole, kumbaga lahat, from the production design, the costume design. I mean, we even study all the color palettes na dapat namin gamitin, all the colors and all the materials para masabi namin, okay, iba to, iba yung lalabas dito. Even the lighting, the DOP, and then kumbaga the whole, kahit the line producers, I mean the creatives, nandun din yung pressure to meet na what are the expectations. Kasi malaki siyang material eh. I mean, lahat ng tao na manonood nito, it's either napanood yung movie or the series, or may certain expectations that you have to meet. So parang, paano natin tatapatan yun? What can we do? What can we offer new? Anong bago dito? Ano yung nabigay ng ibang series na hindi nila naibigay, then maybe we could concentrate on that. So, lahat ng factors na yan we consider. So, kung sa pressure, I mean, it's a good thing na may pressure sa amin. I mean, for me, ako personally na may pressure sa akin kasi kung hindi ka na-pressure doon sa isang material, baka nagiging lax ka na doon sa pagtrabaho, di ba? So, yun.
Direct, may binago din kayo sa kwento? Were you given the right to somehow change?
Yes, marami kaming, di man siguro binago. We keep the core. Kumbaga yung core na doon. Pero in terms of how we're going to discuss the story, marami kaming binago. We keep, of course, nandun kumbaga yung school life nila, nandun kung paano nag-intensify. Pero in terms of intensity, we made sure na, napagod sila. No, hindi. I mean, talaga makikita mo dun sa buong material na papalapit ang finale ng series. This is no longer a school cheating. Gagano na yung buong series. At some point, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin basta may mangyayari doon sa buong serye na magiging siya yung fulcrum ng lahat na iik na. Hindi na kami estudyante. Diba, gagampanan nila yung life and dito yung Rose out the school and how the cheating become sobrang laki at kung paano maapektan yung personal life nila. Yun.
Thank you. Actually, base sa trailer, congratulations na sa inyo.
Alright, there we have it. Maraming salamat po. But can I just say, Jairus Aquino for President. Grabe yung conviction mo kanina, brother. Talagang we are all moved. Viva One President. Thanks so much. Again, that